Hey there, welcome to the 15-minute morning routine, a lifestyle exercise program that will help you lose weight and lose body fat with a minimal time commitment, and a program that you can do anywhere. My name is Jack Wilson, or as my friends know me, Trainer Jack. I'm currently teaching more than a dozen health and fitness courses to 35,000 people all around the globe on Udemy. I'm a certified personal trainer with 5 years of experience in personal training, group fitness, nutrition consulting, and weight loss coaching. As someone who is formerly almost 50 pounds overweight, I know how difficult losing weight can be. Over the last 5 years, I've trained over 100 clients who are just like you, who've wanted to lose weight, lose belly fat, and get into the best shape of their lives. I am so thankful for this unique opportunity to use my education and experience in health and fitness, along with my own personal weight loss journey, to inspire others to transform their bodies and change their lives. After you complete this course, you will have all of the tools that you need to lose weight and melt stubborn body fat with these simple and effective 15-minute workouts. In this course, you are going to be getting why morning routines and morning workouts are so effective for losing weight and losing body fat, why starting off your morning with healthy routines are so important for losing weight, how exercising for just 15 minutes in the morning can dramatically accelerate your weight loss and fat loss, morning workouts along with other routines and habits that you can use to accelerate your weight loss, fat loss, and even increase your energy, your metabolism, and your productivity.